Welcome to South Padre Island, Texas, a little slice of paradise on the South Texas coast. Have you ever dreamed of living on an island in a 5-bedroom, 5-bath home that's less than a block from the beach? 102 East Constellation is the one you've been waiting for. This flexible floor plan, single or multi-family home could be your new coastal retreat. Let's head inside and check it out.
Hello, and welcome to 102 East Constellation. Come on in and have a look around. Each floor of this home can operate independently. Here on the lower level, we have a living room, dining area, and a full kitchen. There's a small patio just off the living room. Down this hallway, we'll find 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, a laundry room, and the stairs that connect the lower level to the upper level. Let's check it out. The first bedroom is large enough for a king-size bed with a nightstand on either side, and it has an ensuite bath. The second and third bedrooms are located right across the hall from this bath. The final downstairs bedroom has pocket doors and is located right beside the final bath. Each floor of this home has its own washer-dryer and tankless water heater. If this door is closed and locked, each floor of this property operates independently. But if it's unlocked and opened, and we go up the stairs, it becomes one large single-family home. Let's check out the second level. The upper level can also be accessed from the exterior by the stairs that lead to the balcony. Here on the second level, we have another living room, a dining area, and a full kitchen. And now let's visit what's sure to be one of your favorite features of this home, the south-facing balcony with the partial bay view. This bedroom is right next door to a gorgeous full bath. The bonus room, a little sleeping nook at the top of the stairs, is conveniently located right next to the final upstairs bath. And just like the lower level of the home, the upper level has its own washer and dryer and tankless water heater. Now let's head outside and check out the 2-car garage and the heated pool.
That concludes our tour of 102 East Constellation on South Padre Island. If you'd like to visit in person, contact your favorite local real estate agent.